everyone, it's Millicent from Shenzhen Maxwin Factory, and today I will introduce you guys two factories. The first one is CNC machining workshop, so let's go and see together.
So let's see how the scent diffuser cabinet made out. The aluminum raw material will put it into laser cutting machine, which will be cut into pieces as requested. This is bending machine production line. The product will be almost with curved shape. The finished material will change to CNC machine to make different shapes. These are our CNC machines. This is drilling machine. The materials will be drilled whole by these automatic machines. This is riveting machine production line. The product will be almost with screws holes. Finally, the product will do taping and screw hole with the automatic taping and screwing machine. So now let's check our second workshop. Let's go. At first, we will testing the air pressure and air flows of air pumps, and testing and aging the circuit boards. This assembly line which can make out the scent diffuser step by step. Air pump assembly, circuit boards screwed, each nozzle tested and working perfectly with each imported air pump, every function tested. We can customize your brand on each scent diffuser machine with laser preview. We will check the final quality and packing into small boxes.
Diffuser.com. Make global trade easier.